Here I have ASUS ZenFone AR, and let me show you how to enable the backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon right here, find and select the settings, scroll down to personal tab, and here let's choose backup and reset. Afterwards, let's tap on the backup my data and let's enable this feature by using the following switcher. So now you can go back and you need to set the backup account. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. The phone is checking info. Now it's important to have the internet access, and here you need to add your Google account. You can do it on two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you can use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email. Tap next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it. Let's just wait a few seconds. Choose next right here. If everything is alright, let's accept terms of service and privacy policy. Tap accept. The phone is checking info. Let's wait a few seconds. Here you can enable or disable automatically backup device data. Let me leave it enabled. Tap next. And that's it. You just enable the backup my data feature and add necessary backup account. So basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.